I feel warm. Is it morning already? Yes, eat slowly. We have a nice day.
I can do it. I tie my shoes.
Good job. Take your bag. We are ready.
Okay. Let's go outside together now.
The air feels fresh this morning.
Good morning. Nice to see you.
Mom, what is that over there?
It looks different today. What do you see, Anna? I see something moving on the street. We keep walking. Stay close to me.
I see it too now.
Let's turn here and check.
Why is everyone looking there?
Let's find out together. We are going farther down the street together now, calmly.
I see many people here today, walking around us quietly.
Why are they all looking around like that today? Here.
It is clearer now. Something is happening ahead slowly there.
Look, Jack. Do you see it too over there now?
What is that? Can we go closer, please, and see?
Wait a moment. Let us stop and look first, together.
Okay, we slow down and stay together right here now.
I think it is over there, by the corner ahead. Hey, I see my friends coming this way today, too.
People are talking softly. Everyone sounds calm here today now. Let us listen quietly and learn what they say together.
I feel better now. It does not look scary anymore.
Oh, our teacher is here. She looks calm today, too.
If the teacher is calm, we are safe here now.
I feel okay again. Thank you for staying close here.
More people are stopping. Everyone watches together right here now.
Can I take one step closer with you, please, now?
Let me think. We go slowly and stay safe together.
Yes, we agree. We will watch carefully together here now.
It is very close now. I can see clearly ahead.
We are close now. Let's stay together and watch carefully.
It looks interesting, but I feel a little confused.
People have different ideas. Let's listen quietly.
I don't know which idea is right now.
Everyone is reacting at the same time. Mom, is something wrong here?
I see your worry. Stay close to us.
I will step forward and help everyone. Please wait a moment. Let's stay calm.
I will explain what is happening now.
Mom, Dad, I'm listening with you.
This is safe. There is no danger here.
See? We understand better now.
Oh, Oh, that detail makes sense now.
Yes, that is the final part.
I feel relieved. Thank you for waiting calmly.
Everything is okay now. Good job, everyone.
That is everything. Thank you for listening so well.
I feel better now. I'm not worried anymore.
Yes, everything is okay again.
I learned something important today. When we are unsure, we stop, watch, and listen.
The street feels open and quiet again.
Life goes back to normal. I will tell my friend about today.
Mom, what should we do next time?
We stay calm, ask questions, and help each other. Let's go home together.
This is a good memory for our family.